1 describe the provisions relating to the appointment of Attorney General of India. Discuss his functions. Ans. According to Article 76, the President shall appoint a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of the Supreme Court of India to be Attorney General of India. The Attorney General shall hold office during the pleasure of the President. He shall receive such remuneration as the President may determine. Thus the power to appoint the Attorney General and to remove him from office is vested in the President, but he exercises this power on the advice of the Council of Ministers. Duties of Attorney General. The Attorney General gives advice to the Government of India upon such legal matters as may be referred to him and performs such duties of a legal character as may be assigned to him by the President from time to time. He discharges functions conferred on him by or under the Constitution or any other law. According to the rules made by the President, the Attorney General, in addition, is required to appear on behalf of the Government of India in all cases in the Supreme Court in which the Government of India is concerned. Also, he represents the Government of India in any reference made by President to the Supreme Court under Article 143. The Government of India may also require him to appear in any High Court in any case in which the Government of India is concerned. In the performance of his duties, the Attorney General has the right of audience in all courts in India. He has also the right to speak in and otherwise to take part in the proceedings of either House of Parliament and parliamentary committees. He enjoys all the parliamentary privileges which are available to members of the Parliament.